If it's not in writing, you can't do it. It can't be done. We just reviewed a power of attorney that someone downloaded online for his father. His dad now has dementia, and that document, the one they thought would protect them, isn't valid. It wasn't properly signed. That's number one. It didn't give him the power to create a trust. Number two, it didn't authorize him to handle Medicaid planning. Number three. And here's the hard truth of all of that. If a power isn't written in that document, it cannot be done. The agent does not have the authority to act outside of the four corners of that document. So now their only option may be guardianship, and that's a long, expensive court process that could have been avoided. A durable power of attorney has to be detailed, precise, and legally sound. There is not a one-size-fits-all, because when life changes, that document becomes your voice. And if it's silent where it matters most, your family is left powerless. At Rebel Law, we help families prepare the right way with documents that truly protect your loved ones when it matters the most. So call our office for a strategy session, and let's make sure that your parents, your loved one's future is secure and your peace of mind, most importantly, are secure. We look forward to speaking with you.